Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today's topic will be about accounting or accountant. Now what to expect from this video. First we'll be talking about the definition, the high school subjects, the duration, the growth rate, the income or salary, affordable countries to study in, best universities to study in, recommended books, online courses, and career options. Definition: accounting or accountancy is the measurement, processing, and communication of financial and non-financial information about economic entities such as business or corporations. Accounting, which has been called the language of business, measures the results of organizations' economic activities and conveys this information to a variety of users. Subjects you need to focus on in high school: math, specifically pre-calculus, calculus, statistics. You also need to focus on computer science if it's available, business, and economics. Duration: an accounting degree takes 3 to 4 years, a master takes 1 to 2 years, and a PhD takes 3 to 4 years in order to complete. Of course, this also depends on the place, university, and the country you're studying in. Employment rate: accounting is expected to grow by 6% from 2018 to 2028, which means there will be a job growth of 6% within that 10 years period. Income: an accountant starts at $52,000 up until $200,000 or more. Of course, this depends on the place and the country you're working in. Affordable countries to study accountancy: Ireland, which is $5,200 per year for 4 years; Malaysia, which is $2,000 per year for 3 years; and Germany, which is $9,200 per year for 4 years. Best universities to study accounting in: USA, which is MIT; USA also, which is Stanford University; and USA Harvard University. Tuition ranges from $25,000 to $50,000 per year. These are the recommended books. These two books will be linked in the description if you want to buy them. Online courses: edX contains more than 11 plus courses which are free, and you can also get the certificate if you pay an extra amount. Link in the description if you want to study it. Career options: if you have an accounting degree, a tax accountant, an internal auditor, a forensic accountant, a government accountant, a financial accountant, managerial accountant, and a financial planner. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.